I invite you to find a comfortable position, sitting preferably with the back straight. If you like, you can sit cross-legged or just on a chair with your feet firmly planted on the floor, and just let yourself and your body relax. If you like, you can close your eyes and turn inwards, or just keep your soft gaze turned slightly downwards without focusing on anything too intensely. And just take a deep breath, filling fully the lungs and belly with air, letting the chest and belly expand. And then letting the breath go slowly out of your body, releasing any tension, any stress or worry with the exhale. A deep inhale and a slow exhale, returning to normal breathing. Let's focus attention on the breath and let everything else stay in the background. All the sensations, the sounds, the thoughts, whatever else is appearing, let it be just the background while you are focusing on the breath, noticing where you can detect it in the easiest way. Maybe in the nostrils, in the throat, or just in the movement of the chest, belly, or the whole body. Just the full attention focused on the breath, the inhale and the exhale, without any need to control it. And when the mind gets distracted, which typically happens quite often, simply bringing attention back to the breath. No need to worry about these distractions, whatever they may be. They will fade into the background as soon as you don't pay attention to them. So let's focus on the breath for a little while longer. Breathing in and out naturally. Perhaps noticing how the body relaxes all by itself. Maybe the mind calms down. Just preparing for a new day with a very simple breathing meditation. Starting the day with a calm mind, relaxed body, being connected to the body, to the presence. And before finishing, taking deeper breaths again, opening the eyes if you had them closed, perhaps slightly moving the fingers and toes, stretching if needed, hopefully being ready for the day. And if you wish, you can always let me know how you liked this short morning meditation. I really appreciate any comments, likes, and subscribes. Have a wonderful day.